Okay, everybody, I will show you how to make fat swipe on Vegas Pro. So, we can see this mesh swipe. The mesh swipe will require Vegas Pro 17 or higher. Grab the mesh swipe, add this effect. So the effect is the fat swipe thing. It's supposed to be look like it's deformed. Scroll down for properties. Efficient. Pitch is -4. Go on to effects. Okay, we are looking for this. Let's see. Express FX Reverb. I'm gonna swipe these because there are 3 of these required of these. Okay. Okay. Close to the hallway. Choose that. And this. That will absolutely will require Vegas plugins. The mesh rep will require Vegas 17. Alright, Vegas 17. So I'm about to play it. Here I go. Okay. It looks like it's a kind of crazy effect. Looks kind of cursed like Jimmy Hogg's effect that created 2019. Okay, that's